So you may have learned in driver school to follow the 2-second rule, which of course we all attempt, but it's very difficult to achieve. Using the sensors on the vehicle and audio feedback to the driver, we were able to show that humans were able to achieve the 2-second rule with extremely high accuracy. This 2-second rule itself is not very important, but it unlocks a whole new opportunity to think about the car and the vehicle in a whole new way.
So what I've been doing is driving the car that they've basically rigged up with a bunch of sensors. So there's a camera in the front of it that's like capturing the road in front of me. There's some sensors under the seat. There's a computer monitor behind the passenger seat. So basically all I've been doing so far is just driving down I-24 to capture data on the traffic that's basically going like rush hour to Smyrna.
What I did in this paper is show that you can get the data from the car itself, from the radar sensor that is a stock piece of technology in modern cars. And you don't need to have special extra equipment to be able to take those measurements. What people used to do to measure, say, spacing between cars on the highway, back in the day, was they would get a tension wire between two cars that they specially set up and have a physical wire measuring that. It's very expensive and difficult to do that kind of thing. And until recently, even in our lab, we had to use expensive GPS sensors to instrument specific cars to see what's the spacing and speed between them and do these traffic engineering related research tests and get that research data.
Some of the applications we have in mind for how the car and the driver can work together better include applications where we might help the driver drive more safely, more fuel efficiently, and ultimately in a way that makes traffic better for all. Today, you can't necessarily see the impacts that your driving style has on the traffic patterns in aggregate, but they absolutely do occur. One example of this is a phantom traffic jam, which seemingly occurs without a cause, but is in fact caused by the way that humans drive. If we're able to coach drivers in small but subtle ways to change their driving behavior, you may never be stuck in one of these phantom traffic jams again.